An English philosopher and lawyer, Jeremy Bentham, was born in 1748 and died in 1832. Now, I'd like you to imagine where you are now. It doesn't matter you enjoy city life or not. Essentially speaking, you are here on this planet. You are here on this planet means you are in nature. You dwell here on the surface of one of tiny rocks floating in the solar system, in one of innumerable galaxies in this universe. This means you are in nature. You enjoy daily life every day. You have so many chances to choose what you like to do. You can do anything on the condition that you continue breathing here on one of tiny rocks floating in the solar system. Human beings have two kinds of experience. This is the matter. Roughly speaking, you have your experience, which is quite comfortable, happy, exciting. You enjoy experiencing some sort of pleasure. This is the first kind of experience. Then talking of the second kind of experience, you experience suffering. You experience pains. In your daily life, I tell you once again, you have two kinds of experience. The one is pleasure. The other is suffering. As a matter of the principle of utility elaborated by Jeremy Bentham, we are all the time tested to think of the two. We experience pleasure or we experience suffering. Usually, people love experiencing pleasure. This is a matter of the principle of utility. I'd like you to once again imagine the greatest happiness of the greatest number. You live as an individual. Of course, you have your right to do anything legally. On the other hand, you wish to be respected as an individual. You are here as an individual. As long as you wish to be respected as an individual, you need to respect others. You respect others, then other people respect you. This is quite a matter of common sense as a being who belongs to a certain society. Then once again, I'd like you to philosophize the essence of how you need to live. Jeremy Bentham said, human beings have their privileges to experience pleasure. Experiencing pleasure must be treated as good. On the other hand, experiencing suffering shall be treated as evil. This is one of the ideas of his philosophy. As I told you, that is alright, you pursue pleasure. Anyway, you are one of individuals, so that you are respected by others as an individual. If you wish to be respected as an individual all the time, you need to respect others too. This is quite a matter of individualism. I'd like you to think of the essence of utility. To breathe as one of human beings, to think of the greatest happiness of the greatest number of people is quite essential. I'd like you to love others, then other people love you. Jeremy Bentham published a book titled An Introduction to the Principles of Morals and Legislation in 1789. This is one of his authoritative books. It is worthwhile to read this authoritative book. You come to understand what it is. You come to understand what the principle of utility is, elaborated by Jeremy Bentham. The lecture shall be finished now.